Every morning, I get up and get things ready. Breakfast for me, for Mum, for Ruby. We've all got medicine to take. I have to get it right. My form teacher thinks I'm just lazy, but I'm not. Sometimes it's just a lot. Cats make everything better. Well, almost. One day, my English teacher told me I might be a young carer. I'd never heard those words before. That night, I told my mum. My teacher was right. It was hard for Mum to hear, but she helped me sign up for a young carers group. At the meetup, everyone was so different, but I didn't have to explain. I just got to be. The routine is the same, but today it feels lighter. The weekend didn't take away my responsibilities, but it did remind me I'm not alone.